Most people searching for the best survey app in 2026 are asking the wrong question. They ask which app pays the most. But here's the truth, no one tells you. The real winner is usually the app that pays consistently, cashes out quickly, and wastes the least amount of your time. Because an app promising huge rewards means nothing if you can't actually cash out daily. In this video, I'll break down the best survey apps for us users that realistically pay daily in 2026, which apps work best for beginners, which ones offer the fastest payouts, and how to avoid wasting hours on low-quality platforms. Let's get straight into it. First, let's clarify something important. No survey app is going to replace a real job. That expectation destroys people's experience immediately. Survey apps work best as flexible side cash during downtime. Think lunch breaks, TV time, commutes, or waiting rooms. That's the sweet spot. Now with that out of the way, let's talk about the top apps actually worth considering right now. Survey Junkie is still one of the strongest options for users who want simplicity. The app focuses mainly on surveys instead of complicated gaming systems or endless offer walls. Most users earn a few dollars daily consistently, while more active users can sometimes hit $5 to $15 daily. And one of the biggest advantages is payout reliability. People trust Survey Junkie because cash outs remain relatively smooth and straightforward. But here's the problem. Survey Junkie can feel repetitive fast. If you hate answering endless opinion questions, you may burn out quickly. Now here's where it gets interesting. Swagbucks remains one of the most versatile platforms in 2026. And honestly, versatility is its biggest strength. You can earn through surveys, cashback shopping, gaming offers, receipts, and promotions. That means if surveys are slow one day, you still have other earning options available. For example, Jake used Swagbucks cashback during holiday shopping and earned more in 1 week than he normally earns through surveys alone. But there's a catch. Swagbucks can feel overwhelming for beginners because there are so many earning categories. Now, let's talk about branded surveys. This platform became popular because of its streak systems and loyalty rewards. Highly active users sometimes earn more here than on simpler apps because consistency bonuses stack over time. But this is where most people fail. They focus only on raw payouts without calculating time. If a survey pays well but constantly disqualifies users halfway through, the real hourly earnings collapse. And honestly, efficiency matters more than advertised payouts. In a minute, I'll show you the app many users overlook that actually pays surprisingly fast for some demographics. But first, let's discuss FreeCash. Now, technically, FreeCash is more of a rewards platform than a pure survey app. But it deserves attention because payout speed is one of its biggest advantages. Many users combine surveys with gaming tasks and app offers for higher earning potential. And some users genuinely cash out daily. But here's the catch. FreeCash works best for people willing to complete more complex offers, not just simple surveys. If you only want quick opinion surveys, another app may fit better. Now, let's talk about CashKick. CashKick gained popularity because of its clean interface and decent survey opportunities. Some users like it because earnings display directly in dollars instead of confusing point systems. That psychological difference actually matters more than people think. Seeing real dollar amounts feels more motivating. But CashKick still suffers from the same issue affecting almost every survey platform: disqualifications. And honestly, that frustration never disappears completely, no matter which app you choose. Now here's where it gets interesting. The best survey app often depends on your demographic profile. That's why online reviews conflict constantly. For example, Sarah qualifies for high-paying beauty and shopping surveys. John receives better finance and technology opportunities. Different users experience completely different earning patterns. So instead of searching for one magical perfect app, experienced users usually test multiple platforms first. Now let's talk about payout speed because daily cash out ability matters a lot psychologically. Apps with low minimum redemption thresholds feel more rewarding because users see progress faster. Waiting months to cash out destroys motivation. Survey Junkie and FreeCash both perform relatively well here for many users. Swagbucks also offers reliable cash outs, though timing can vary depending on reward type. Now let's discuss mobile experience because most users complete surveys on phones now. Clean design matters. Apps that constantly crash, reload or freeze create frustration instantly. Survey Junkie and Cashkick generally feel smoother for quick mobile sessions. Meanwhile, Swagbucks sometimes feels busier because of its many earning categories. Not necessarily bad, just different. Now here's the hidden factor nobody talks about enough. Daily consistency beats occasional grinding. Many beginners spend 5 hours on survey apps during one weekend, burn out completely, then quit forever. Experienced users usually do the opposite. Short focused sessions every day. That approach creates steadier earnings and far less frustration. And honestly, sustainability matters more than intensity. Now, let's answer the question directly. What's the best survey app for us users that pays daily in 2026? For pure surveys and simplicity, Survey Junkie still ranks near the top. For maximum flexibility and earning variety, Swagbucks remains extremely strong. For bonus-focused active users, Branded Surveys performs well. For faster mixed rewards and gaming offers, Free Cash stands out. And for straightforward dollar-based tracking, Cashkick stays competitive. But here's the smartest strategy overall. Don't rely on only one app. That's the real secret. Survey availability changes constantly. One platform may feel dead today and amazing tomorrow. Experienced users rotate between apps, depending on current opportunities. That flexibility dramatically improves total earnings. Now let's talk realistic expectations one final time. Most users earn a few dollars daily casually. More optimized users sometimes reach $10 to $20 daily across multiple platforms combined. But none of these apps create guaranteed income. The real value is flexibility. No boss. No schedule. No commute. Just extra cash during spare time. And honestly, for many people, that's enough. So here's the bottom line. The best survey app in 2026 depends on your goals. Want simplicity? Go with Survey Junkie. Want flexibility? Use Swagbucks. Want bonus systems? Try branded surveys. Want mixed offers with fast cash outs? Look at Free Cash. But no matter which platform you choose, your strategy matters more than the app itself. Focus on high-value surveys. Avoid wasting time on terrible payouts. Stay consistent. And treat survey apps like flexible side cash instead of full-time income. If you do that, these apps can still absolutely be worth using in 2026. If this video helped you find the best survey app for daily payouts, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with which survey app has paid you the fastest so far. And if you want, I'll also make a full ranking video comparing every major survey platform available right now.